This is Muzakir Azad. I'm an undergraduate student from Jatiya Kavi Kaji University, and my major department subject is Environmental Science Engineering, and also I am an expert or work with GIS, and this is my work of related GIS. GIS is geocentric-based analysis of salinity, intrusion, and land use transformation in Shemnagar Upazila. Okay, and my topic is that salinity intrusion of Shemnagar Upazila. Because of that, we know that Shemnagar region is closely related to the ocean. Their water come forward to the local area, the flooded, and the salinity intrusion perspective. And this is my background and the problem statement. We know that we have a coastal